A new Sephora Favorites kit is available now exclusively at the Sephora app, and the Sol de Janeiro Perfume Mist Discovery Set. It does retail for $50. You can pick it up for $40. If I do happen to get this in PR, I will do a full review for you. This is a limited edition fragrance set to explore every mood and moment. Experience 5 immersed scents inspired by Portuguese wood cherry rosa, which means as to smell incredibly delicious. This perfume sampler set features 5 immersive scents. Now, each of these are 30 milliliters, and you're going to get Irresistible and Sunny Cherry Rosa 62, Blooming and Bright Cherry Rosa 68, Sultry and Delicate Cherry Rosa 40, Uplifting and Delicious Cherry Rosa 59, and Beachy and Nostalgic Cherry Rosa 87. Let me know if this is one you guys are thinking about picking up. Hope you're having a beautiful day, and I will see you soon. Bye.